Have you ever wondered what happens when a technical powerhouse like Toyota encounters an unforeseen setback? Consider all 28 car production lines at Toyota's vast Japanese facilities screeching to a halt. Think beyond cyber attacks. Who is the perpetrator this time? A problem with their own computer system. Want to learn more about this enthralling story of high-tech mishaps and the rush to resurrect the production lines? Let's look at the narrative behind Toyota's brief quiet and the insights it offers. Toyota, a paragon of perfection in the car industry, faced an extraordinary challenge as dawn dawned on an ordinary Tuesday. As a result of a problem that defied forecasts, all 28 manufacturing lines across 14 Japanese facilities came to a halt. This unanticipated disruption rippled across the industry, prompting questions about the cause of the malfunction, its ramifications for production, and the durability of Toyota's just-in-time methodology. Navigating the Toyota glitch. A soothing voice arose from the heart of Toyota's complicated operations amid the flurry of conjecture and rising anxieties that spread through sectors and boardrooms alike. Sawako Takeda, the company's persistent spokesman, took the stage, ready to confront the uproar. Her statements, like a beacon of reason in an age of digital vulnerabilities, quickly persuaded stakeholders that the baffling halt in Toyota's production lines was not the result of a malicious hack. As the sun set on that perplexing Tuesday, an army of experts started out on a voyage into the core of Toyota's vast digital world, each line of code a possible clue in solving the enormous mystery of the problem. Accountability and apology. Honoring Toyota via transparency. Toyota's consistent dedication to openness emerged as a guiding beacon amid the complicated web of doubt produced by the Toyota glitch and the complexity of binary coding. Amidst the busy business environment, a symphony of humility and responsibility rang out, and at its center was an apology, a declaration that went beyond the bounds of simple words. Toyota not only recognized the waves of annoyance caused by the abrupt production halt, but also inscribed an unstated promise into the story with each carefully selected sentence. This was more than a token gesture. It was a genuine homage to Toyota, a tribute that reached beyond the technical nuances of engineering to include the valued connections weaved with both consumers and partners. In its simplicity, the apology was a bridge built between two worlds, the technology domain and the human dimension. It was Toyota's acknowledgement of the faith put in them by their worldwide community. It wasn't just a publicity stunt. It was a genuine commitment, an acceptance of duty. Toyota crystallized the essence of Toyota, a concept that stretched beyond assembly lines and digitized processes, in those beautifully constructed statements. It was a reaffirmation of their dedication to creating not just autos, but lifelong relationships, demonstrating that even in the digital age, the resonance of authenticity can still be found. Vulnerabilities revealed, uncovering chain fragility. While the apology's echoes remained, the Toyota glitch's broader ramifications rang loudly. The automobile sector, which is known for its delicate dance of supply and demand, has lately seen some respite from the ongoing worldwide chip scarcity. Toyota, a company famous with adaptability, has expertly navigated the turbulent seas, from the steady Camry to the pioneering Prius and the sumptuous Lexus range. Nonetheless, this unanticipated delay exposed a crack in the armor, a weakness in the delicate equilibrium of the supply chain ecology. The blip wasn't just a technological mistake. It was a reminder of the highly tuned symphony that keeps the industry running. Awaiting restoration. Toyota's imminent return. As the noise of rumor died down, a glimmer of optimism emerged. Production was on the verge of a recovery. Nonetheless, an air of expectation persisted like a soft wind as Toyota's production lines prepared to rise from their unexpected nap. The underlying questions were palpable. Would Toyota's production statistics return with the vigor that reflected their tenacity? Or will the road to restoration be lined with obstacles, symbolizing the tenacity that Toyota has displayed again and again? The response, like a symphonic crescendo, stayed stuck in time, waiting for the curtain to rise on the next act of the enthralling Toyota story. This problem may turn out to be a little snag in the vast fabric of technological progress. Nonetheless, its influence on a global automotive behemoth serves as a reminder that development is not always linear, and even the most spectacular orchestration of equipment may be muffled by the whisper of a digital blip. And, as we prepare for shifting speeds, a gentle reminder to keep your eyes on the road ahead. Don't miss out on our next films, which will reveal even more interesting stories from the world of autos. If this voyage has caught your interest, a simple push on the subscribe button will keep you updated. Your support is important, therefore a thumbs up would be much appreciated. Please leave your opinions in the comments area below. Your feedback motivates us to bring you more interesting stuff. In this episode of Evolutionary, we'll be exploring the inner workings of the vehicle. Until our next trip, stay interested, keep up with news, and always drive safely.